Hey, Sneekylinux back, Sneeky Quickie. Okay. We had the first few distros loaded for the next series, okay? So that's really, really good. You're going to like them? Well, I think you're going to like them. Be super duper. But I just thought I'd tell you about that. On the other hand, now, teaching computing to children is a bit of a big step, isn't it? Okay? Some of you may know nothing about it. Some have played around with it. But hey. Now, in the UK, US, and most of the places around the world, they use Scratch for, should we say, primary school children. So, before you're 11 years old. So I thought just got one game for you. Look. Now, do any of you understand what's going on here? And the answer I want is yes. Because if it's a no, I'm going to have to take your address and come around and sort you out, aren't I? Okay. Basically, what we're doing here is making a spiral, okay? So as you can see, in our scripts here, we have a black background. We'll press C to clear, okay? And this is what our pen is going to do. So when we click the flag, which is this one up here, it will set our pen size, put our pen up, hide it, and set a distance, clear, and make a little loop. Now, some of you do computer coding will understand all this in HTML and basic terminal stuff, okay? But for children, this is a really, really easy way to learn stuff, and this is why I really wanted to show it to you. So, we've got click, set pen size. Well, that's really easy to understand, isn't it? If your mouse is down, then draw a spiral. So, how does it know to draw a bleeding spiral? I hear you cry, okay? Define draw a spiral. You have to define it. So it's in the more blocks category. Okay? Okay. If you want me, some of you do some Scratch stuff with you, I don't really mind. It's really easy. And it goes to the mouse pointer. It gets to pointer direction. This here is an operator. Well, these are over here. Tells you stuff to do. Yeah, it's really easy. Really, really easy. Repeat it 100 times. Pen down. So that means you put your pen down. So imagine you're doing it in real life. And you've got a piece of paper and you're doing it like that. This is how it works. Change pen colour by 5. So 5 increments of colour. Okay. Then change distance. Then move and turn. Really, really easy. Do you want to see it in full screen? I'm going to show you. Okay. So change to full screen. I'm going to click the flag. Okay. You can see a spiral being drawn up there, can't you? Yeah. And there's one I've drawn there. Every time the spiral's finished and I click, it will make another spiral. Isn't that really easy? A really easy way to code for kids. And this is why I like working with kids. It's fantastic. Bleeding fantastic. I don't really care about the money, to be honest with you. Working with children doesn't pay very much money. Okay? I'll tell you that now. But the feeling you get from teaching children is ultimately fantastic and worth more than money. Yeah, all right, I'll be a beggar and sleep on the streets in 20 years' time. Who cares? I don't care. No. But yeah, it's really, really easy. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that just for a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to leave the page. Bye. And Scratch 2 can be found online. You don't have to download it. You can just go through your browser and use it like that. But there is Scratch 1, which I have here, which is the olden version. So if you've got an old computer, a really old one, you can still use it. No big deal. It'll still work. Lovely. Super duper. Anyway, apart from that, I'm going to upload it Sunday, the first one. Okay, first one. What one do you think it's going to be? It's going to be a difficult one. I'll tell you that. Done me head in. Sneekylinux out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.